So hello, what's up? So nandito ulit tayo ngayon for another vlog of videos na gagawin natin para sa panibagong lesson natin na pag-uusapan sa math. And I hope na you are staying tuned in my vlog. So ngayon, we are on the process ng pag-aaral ng fundamentals of algebra. Kaya dapat makinig kayo maigi. At ang isa sa mga struggles natin pagdating sa algebra ay yung mga problem solvings natin. Yung mga verbal phrases na na-encounter natin pagka nagsasagot tayo ng mga algebra. Ngayon, pag-aaralan natin ngayon kung paano nga ba natin ita-translate ang verbal phrases into mathematical phrases and vice versa. So, dapat marunong tayo na gawin mathematical phrase yung mga English phrases natin. So, let's start. Simulan natin ngayon sa addition. Pagka tayo ay nakarinig ng mga words na plus, increase by, in all, sum, more than, total, yan po ay mga words na nagde-denote sa addition. So kapag ka nakarinig kayo o nakita ninyo sa ating English phrases or statement, ay nagde-denote ito ng addition. Take note that the sum is the answer to an addition problem. The sum of x and y is also x plus y. Kaya kapag narinig niyo yung word na sum, ang ibig sabihin nun ay sagot ng addition. Pagdating naman sa subtraction, minus, less, subtract, less than, decrease by, difference, ang mga words na ginagamit natin para sa subtraction. Take note that the answer for subtraction is difference. So, the difference between x and y is x minus y. Yun ang ibig sabihin nun. Kaya kapag naka-encounter kayo ng mga ganitong words, it only denotes subtraction. Yan, diminish by, kasama yun. Sa multiplication naman, ito ang mga words like times, multiply, product, each, of, factors, twice. Yan po ang mga words na ginagamit natin to denote multiplication. So, the product is the answer to a multiplication problem. Kaya the product of x and y is x times y. Kaya kapag yung times, multiplied product, each, twice, factors of, meron pa mga thrice, ibig sabihin times 3. Yun po ay mga ginagamit natin to multiply. Division, the word divided, rate, quotient, an, in, or per, separate, and ratio are the words that denote division. Yan. At ang tawag natin sa sagot ng division ay quotient. Pagdating naman sa power, ang mga malimit nating tawag sa the square of ay exponent 2. Ang cube of naman ay kapag ang exponent natin ay 3. Sa equals naman, ginagamit natin ang mga words na equals, is, are, was, or were, amounts to, or total. Now, let's translate this verbal expression into variable expression or mathematical expression. We have y added to 16. The words here is added to. What is our operation? So, according to our word clue, na added to, so addition ng ating operation. What is being added? Ano yung mga dapat nating i-add? Meron tayong y and 16. Ngayon, dahil alam na natin kung ano yung i-add natin, write the expression. Ano nga ba ang mathematical expression ng y added to 16? So this is the mathematical expression, y plus 16. Another example is the sum of b and 8. So ang word clue natin dito ay sum of. Tandaan natin na ang sum ay mayroong kapartner na and at ang operation na gagamitin natin para sa word na sum ay addition. Ano ang ina-add natin o yung hinahanap natin na sum? Sum of b and 8. And the expression will be b plus 8. The total of 4 and m. Ang word clue natin ay total of na may partner na n. So our operation is addition. What is being added? 4 and m. And the expression of this is 4 plus m. Example 4, W increased by 55. The word clue is increased by. So ano ang operation natin? Pag narinig natin ng word na increased by, it's addition. What is being added? So according dito, W and 55. Our expression will be W plus 55. Another example is G plus 20. So ang word natin dito is plus, so therefore our operation is addition. Ang ina-add natin ay G and 20, So our expression is G plus 20. 19 more than K. So ang ating word clue dito naman ay more than. So our operation is addition and the number that being added 19 and K. So our expression will be K plus 19 or can also be written as 19 plus K. Dahil ang addition ay meron tayong commutative property na pwede nating baliktarin kahit na anong addends niya. Another example is n subtracted from 2. So the word that we use is subtracted from. So our operation to be used is subtraction. The number being subtracted n and 2. Pagka sinulat natin ang expression ng subtraction, always be careful. So, what will be our expression? Actually, 2 minus n. Bakit kaya? Kasi we use the word from. So, kapag narinig niyo o naka-encounter kayo ng word na from, ibig sabihin, you have to reverse it. Take note that subtraction does not possess the commutative property, so order is important. Kaya dapat kapag tayo ay maggagawa ng isang subtraction expression, tatandaan natin na dapat na tama yung order ng pagsulat natin mula minuend hanggang subtrahend. Dahil wala pong commutative property ang subtraction. Another example is the difference of Q and 3. The word is difference of and the operation to be used is subtraction. What is being subtracted? Q and 3 and the operation or the expression is Q minus 3. Sa mga pagkakataon naman ito, hindi natin siya ni-reverse because we use the word of and partner by n. R less 12. So the word is less. So ang operation na gagamitin natin is subtraction. The number that being subtracted is R and 12. So the expression is R minus 12. Another example. 19 less than D. The word clue is less than. So our operation is subtraction. And being subtracted are 19 and D. So our expression will be D minus 19. Bakit naman nauna si D sa 19? Dahil we are talking about less than D. So dapat mas mataas lagi si D kaysa kay 19 because D is 19 is less than D. Another example is 9 times C. So technically, the word that we use is times. So the operation that we will use is multiplication. And what is being multiplied? Those are 9 and C. So ang ating expression is 9C. Tandaan natin na sa algebra, kapag magmumultiply tayo, most of the time, constant and variable are joined together to form a term, where 9 will become the coefficient of C. The product of negative 6 and D. The word that we use is the product of. So our operation is multiplication. What is being multiplied? Those are negative 6 and B. So the expression is negative 6B. At kapag pala magsusulat tayo ng isang multiplication na expression, dapat mauuna muna yung constant bago yung variable. Another example is 5 multiplied by a number. So sa moment naman na ito, walang binigay na particular variable. So pwede na yung gumamit ng kahit na anong variable. So multiplied by ang ginamit natin. So technically it's multiplication. What is being multiplied? Ito ay ang 5 at yung number. So pwede natin gamitin yung letter N to denote number that is missing. So our expression will be 5n. Twice a number, ang ginamit na word ay twice. Sa operation na gagamitin natin ay multiplication kasi twice. Imumultiply natin ay 2 and n. Paano natin nalaman na 2? Kasi ang twice po ay nagde-denote ng 2 times. And the expression will be 2n. Ito naman ang ibang example, 4 divided by y. 4 divided by y, ang ginamit natin na word clue is divided by. So, ang operation natin ay division. What is being divided? 4 and y. The expression to be used will be 4 divided by y. Be careful sa paggawa ng expression when it comes to division because division has also do not have a commutative property. Kaya dapat tama din yung arrangement ng pagdi-divide natin. The quotient of the opposite of n and 9. Ang word na ginamit natin dito ay quotient of. So our operation will be Sabi natin, ang quotient ay sagot ng division, kaya division ng ating operation. At ang ating number that being divided is negative n and 9. Bakit naging negative n? Because of the word opposite of n. So our expression will be negative n divided by 9. Another example is the ratio of 11 and p. So the word that we use here is ratio of. So siya ang clue natin to know the operation, which is division. The numbers that being divided are 11 and p. So our expression will become 11 divided by p. So meron tayong notes dito na dapat yung ating pong order ay tama. Dahil importante na tama yung ating order dahil wala pong pinopossess ang division na commutative property. Another example is 9 increased by the quotient of p and 5. Sa mga pagkakataon na ito, mapapansin natin na meron tayong dalawang operations na gagamitin dito because we have also two word clues here. The first one is increased by, the second one is quotient of. Ngayon, kailangan natin malaman kung ano ang operations na gagamitin natin. The word increase denotes for addition and quotient for division. Para ma-translate natin siya into mathematical phrase, kailangan natin siyang i-translate by word for word. So take it word for word to translate. 9, susulat natin si 9, increased by, so plus, the quotient of t and 5. Ibig sabihin, gagawa tayo ng quotient ng t and 5. So t over 5. So ang ating mathematical translation is 9 plus t over 5. Another example naman ay the product of a and the sum of a and 13. So, ang word clues na ginamit natin dito ay the product of and the sum of. Anong operations na gagamitin natin? For the product, we will use multiplication and the sum of is for addition. So, take it word for word to translate. So, the product of a, the sum of a and 13 is like a times a plus 13. Okay, tingnan nga natin kung naintindihan ninyo. Which of the following expression represents 7 times a number decreased by 13? Number 1 is obviously not the answer because merong addition dito. Number 3 is also not because it doesn't follow the proper order of subtraction. And number 4 is also not the answer because of addition. So our answer will be number 2. If you will see, 7 times a number, so yung 7 minultiply sa variable x. At dinicrease siya or minor siya sa 13. Another one, which of the following expressions represent 28 less than 3 times a number? So our answer will be, you're right, 3x minus 28. Okay, write a verbal expression for number 1, 8 plus 8. Ano kaya ang verbal expression na pwede natin gawin sa 8 plus 8? So, ang gagawin nyo lang, mamimili lang kayo sa mga binigay natin kaninang word clues at yun po ang gagamitin ninyo para makagawa kayo ng verbal expression. For the meantime, I use the word sum. Another one is m divided by r. So, gamitin ninyo yung mga word clues for division para ma-divide natin si m and r. Be careful of using the words. So, pwede kong gamitin yung the word ratio. The ratio of m to r. Do you have a different way of writing this? Yes, meron pa kayong, alam ko may mga iba't ibang paraan pa kayo kung paano nyo siya na-write in verbal expression. And now, let us know the mathematics trivia for the day. Did you know that the word algebra came from a title of a book written by Al-Khwarizmi, an Arabic mathematician? I don't know if I pronounced it correctly. And the book that he wrote is entitled Hishabal Jab wal Mukabala, dealt mainly with solving linear equations. The title is translated as the science of restoring and cancelling, referring to the process of adding number to both sides of an equation, or with the word restoring, and dividing both sides of an equation by the same number, cancelling. So, ang algebra ay galing sa isang Arabic mathematician na nagngangalan na Al-Khwarizmi, kung saan ipinapakita niya dito yung pagbabalance ng isang equation sa pamamagitan ng pag-process ng isang number by means of restoring and cancelling. At yun po ay pag-aaralan natin sa mga susunod na pagkakataon para mas lalo nyo maintindihan. But for the meantime, bago tayo magtapos, ay iiwanan ko kayo ng isang kasabihan from Roger Bacon that mathematics is the gate and key to science. So thank you very much guys for listening in the video. See you soon guys. God bless.